everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search keyboard from here. Click on keyboard, storage cache and clear cache keyboard. After clear cache keyboard, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app, scroll down and click on system, reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.